how to find all Jimmy John's locations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all the locations of Jimmy John's. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to your browser, go to Jimmy John's official website, then from the home page, scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll be able to see all JJ's locations. Just tap on it and then tap on United States, and here you can see all of the states. Now, if you want to see specific cities in these states, then you just need to go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll be able to find the locations. So, there you go. It's as simple as that. You can just come back and scroll through other locations of your choice. And then just tap on it, you'll find the store hours. You can come back, go to another state, and you can find all other locations there. Just tap on it and find the store hours. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.